So in 2020, will Things 3 become a paid subscription application? In today's video, we're going to be diving into just that topic. So let's roll in. So the latest news is that Fantastic Hour 3 now, they've moved from 2 to 3. The Mac and iOS calendar application has now gone to a subscription model. And of course, this is the trend in at least the last couple of years. All of the applications have moved to this model. It is, I guess, a little bit difficult sometimes to understand because you're probably like, more money is coming out of my pocket. But the idea behind it is that it gives the developers more of a sustainable approach to their work. And of course, with things like inflation and things like that, naturally things keep getting more expensive to do. The concept's very simple and allows you to pay on a regular basis. So Fantastic Hour has moved from a one-off fee, I think it was $49.99 for their Mac application, and now they're charging a subscription service. I'll make sure to include a video about Fantastic Hour 3 soon. But in 2020, will Things 3 move to this model? Now, the argument is 100% yes. I don't know anything more than that, but I think for Things 3 users out there who are watching along, I think they definitely will move to that model. It's a more of a sensible model. It's definitely more supporting for the developer cultured code. At the moment, you can pay $49.99 for the Mac plan, and then obviously you get that one-off in Things 3, and then $19.99 for iPad and $9.99 for iPhone. So collectively, you're paying about $79.97, something like that, which is fairly high, but as a one-off cost, it's not bad because you could probably recoup the costs over 3 years. But what I think is going to happen is Things 4, when they release that, which I can imagine will probably be middle way through 2021, and it'll include a lot more of a Notion-like experience, I think, in my opinion. I think that is going to sort of take it to that next level. And it will include a subscription plan. I think that's almost guaranteed because it's much more of a better way for the company to earn consistent generation of money. But then again, they could stay with a more consistent experience where one-off costs are better. It really depends because they have what they have a little bit different to some companies is they have version updates. So they'll go from Things 1, Things 2, Things 3. So they may be able to get the recurring type of model from that. So it's working out whether that's good. But in my opinion, I think Things 4, probably released in mid-2021, will have a subscription model and a Notion-like experience. So that's my opinion. If you're a Things 3 user, definitely good buy at the moment because obviously you've probably made your money back compared to some other applications in subscription recurring. But guys, hopefully you enjoyed that feature. Let me know what you think about this. Do you think Things 3 will turn to a subscription model? Let us see. Anyway, guys, I look forward to reading your comments and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Cheers, everyone. Bye.